Hi everybody, today I am going to review the 6 syllable types in English. We have 6 types of syllables, so first you should know how to break up syllables. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you check out my video on how to find syllables in words. And then we can put them into 6 different categories. We have closed syllables, open syllables, silent E, vowel teams, vowel R or R controlled, and consonant plus LE. So I'm actually gonna head backwards on this. Let's start with consonant LE words. So for example, so what you need to look for is usually the word ends, after the word they add an LE. So for example, if I have the word wiggle, wiggle is spelled like this. And as you can see, there's an LE at the end. So if I want to break up the word wiggle, wiggle, I break it up right here, right in the middle, wiggle. And it has the LE at the end. Another word I would do is kettle. So for example, I heat up my tea in my tea kettle. So kettle. So I'm going to write kettle. And again, there's an LE at the end. So I'm going to break it up right here in the middle. Kettle. I'm going to give you one more example there. Let's do the word wrinkle. So my paper is wrinkled, right? Wrinkle. So there's wrinkle, it ends with the N, wrinkle. So that's where I would break it up, between the N and the K. But as you can see, all of those words ended with a consonant LE. Okay, so next we're gonna go to the vowel R syllables, R controlled. I like these a lot. So you should know your R controlled sounds. Or, air. So for example, in the word, if I have the word urgent, it is urgent that I go to the doctor. So I'm gonna write urgent, and I already see an R controlled vowel, the UR right there, urgent. So I'm going to break it up right here. So there's my R controlled vowel. If I have the word darker, darker, darker. So I'm going to write darker. There's actually 2 R controlled vowels here. But where I would break up the syllable, darker. So I would break it up right here, darker, between the root word and its suffix. I'm going to do one more with you for the R control. Cordless, cordless. So I see the R control vowel is or, cordless. Break up between the D and the L. So again, the R-controlled syllable types have a vowel right next to the letter R. Okay? Now we're going to go, I like this one a lot too, is the vowel team, because 2 vowels work together to make one sound. That's why it's called a vowel team. So, for example, if I have the word derail, derail, my vowel team here is the AI, derail. So I'm going to break it up here, derail, but my vowel team is right here, the AI. If I have the word recoil, recoil, my vowel team is the OI, because there's 2 vowels right there, O and I, making a team. Now they make an oi sound. Recoil. And if I have the word, let's say I want the word, let me find a good one for you guys. Ooh, this one's a good one. Let's do the word draw. Redraw. So my vowel team is actually the AW. The A next to the W makes an ah sound. So redraw. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to words with the silent E. And you know the E, sometimes some people call it a sneaky E. The E is there at the end. It has a job to do. It has a lot of jobs to do. But a silent E at the end is one that helps the vowel before it turn into a long vowel. So it helps the vowel to say A, E, I, O, or U. So instead of doing the short vowel sound, it just says its name, A, E, I, O, U. So, for example, if I have the word bonfire, okay, so there's bonfire. So fire. Now, right here, that E is silent, but it's telling the I to say its name. So it's not bonfire, it's bonfire. So it makes that I into a long vowel. Okay, so that's what makes it a silent E syllable type. If I have the word expose, so pose. So that silent E is telling the O, say your name, say a long vowel, expose, instead of being expose, right? Which is not a word. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one more there. Let's try the word exhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so exhale, the silent E right there tells the A to say a long A sound. Exhale, right? Not exhale, which is not a word. That'd be silly. All right, now let's go to open syllables. So open syllables, when you find out the syllables in the word is gonna end in the vowel. The syllable is gonna end in the vowel, and it has a long vowel sound. Okay, so for example, if I have the word apron, apron. So apron has two syllables, so it stops right there on the A, and that's a long vowel sound. If I have the word hotel, hotel. When I stop on the first one, that's a long O sound. So that makes it an open syllable. If I have emu, E stops on the E. That's a long vowel. And so all of these are open because they stop right where the vowel is, and they're all long vowel sounds. So that leaves us one more, which is the closed syllable type. So in the closed syllable, the syllable is going to end in a consonant, and the vowel before that is going to have a short vowel sound. So instead of the long A, E, I, O, U, it's going to say a, I, or a. So, for example, if I have the word helmet, okay, if I have the word helmet, helmet. So let me stop on the first one. So stops on the L. And you can see it didn't stop on the vowel, it stopped on the consonant. And the that's a short vowel sound. Okay, let's do ransack. Ransack. Ran stops between the N and the S. And ran has a short vowel sound. It has an ass sound. Okay? I'm going to give you one more. Let's do subject. All right, let me see where to break that syllable. ject. And so it stopped on a consonant, not a vowel. And the that's a short vowel sound. So these are the 6 syllable types. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson, and maybe you guys can try a couple of words, okay? Thank you. Bye.